Have you ever wanted to create your own custom user interface for a show with specific controls available to your operator? Well, with our new production mode in Canvas, you can do just that. Let's dig in. All right, so here we have a show that I've been working on, and I am ready to hand it over to an operator. And what I want to do is create my production mode. Now, the way that we can do that is any element we want to see in production mode, we can click on and go into the basic tab and click show in production. So I'll go ahead and add that to production. I've went ahead and added the rest of the elements to this, as well as the note here to show in production. So I can go up here to my view menu and I can click enable production mode. And this is going to take me to production mode. And you'll see I won't be able to zoom or move around it or anything. So I can come up here and say edit production mode. And this is going to take me to a more normal screen that I'm used to. So I can come over here and I can create a note that I can add my note, and that can be my background for it. I have my trigger with a 4x4 grid of buttons. I have a slider that I can use that I can add to it as well. And then I have a couple, meta elements that I can add. One controls each playhead for two different cue lists. So, and then I have a panner element I can add to this as well. And that's how you lay out your production mode. When I'm finished creating my custom layout, I can come up here again to edit production mode. And that will take me into this screen where everything basically zooms to extent. So it will fill the screen. You can't zoom, you can't move it. You can't do anything other than just, play with the controls, for example. So what's really cool about this is I can come up here to my view, for example, and I can go to a user layout that I created earlier called board op. And this is what we have. So I have both my cue lists, my main cue list and my secondary cue list for my operator. And then I have my custom controls that he or she can operate. So they can come over here and mess with the slider, hit the trigger buttons, move the panner around if they want, change the playhead positions, hit go, etc. So we can create whatever custom layout with this production mode that we want. And if we wanted to add something or change it, we can just do edit production mode and move things around. So if I wanted this just to be a little larger, let's say, I can come over here and then get out of edit, and that will, make the screen just a little bit larger. What's also cool is that we could also come out here and open a new window. And so now this guy is a floater. And we can, resize it to fit whatever screen we want and stick it on a secondary screen if we'd like, and have your operator run the show. And that is the basics of production mode. We're excited to see what you create with it. Feel free to reach out to us on Discord and let us know what you think. See you next time.